In this video, we'll show you how to create a texture roller with CreateMold. First, click the Open Studio button and log into your account. Then import the image you prepared earlier. Once the image has been uploaded and analyzed, make sure that Texture Roller is selected. You'll see a short guide explaining how your artwork should be prepared for the best texture roller results. Next, click Generate 3D Preview to create the three-dimensional version of your design. As you can see, the process is very simple. Once your image has been converted into a texture roller, you can open the Core Settings section in the top right corner. From here, you can adjust the roller length, diameter, wall thickness, and design depth according to your project. After making your changes, click Generate 3D version again to preview the updated design. And here is the new version. Once everything looks good, click the Generate 3D STL button in the bottom right corner to create your STL file. When the file is ready, download the generated 3D STL file to your computer. Next, open your preferred 3D printing slicer software and import the STL file you just downloaded. And that's it! Your custom 3D texture roller STL is now ready to print. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to visit CreateMold.com